Let me tell you something that most people never learn. A lot of us go through life feeling stuck, feeling lost, because we simply don't know how our own mind works. You see, an ignorant person doesn't realize they have a choice. They don't know they can use their imagination to picture the life they want, and then get emotionally connected to that vision, and slowly watch it come to life. Instead, they let their current situation control their thinking. They set a goal, but then they start looking around for proof it's going to happen. They look at the empty bank account, they see no sign of success, and they begin to doubt. They say things like, maybe I don't not have enough money to keep going. And right there, they forget the goal. They start to worry, then comes self-doubt, and soon, their mind is filled with fear. That fear takes over the body. It shows up as tension, stress, what we call anxiety. But here's what most people don't realize. Anxiety doesn't start with fear, it starts with ignorance. Not knowing, not understanding how to think clearly, not understanding how powerful your mind really is. And let me be honest, we're all ignorant in some way. I admit it freely, I don't know how to fix a car. I'm not good at plumbing. I don't try to be an expert at everything. But I do know this one thing. If you understand yourself, if you study how your mind works, you can change everything. That's what Stoic wisdom teaches too. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." So, how do we eliminate ignorance? It's simple. We study. We reflect. We learn. We stop letting the outside world, the news, the money, the problems, control how we think. Instead, we visualize what we want. We stay emotionally connected to it, and we trust the process. When we understand this, we develop something far more powerful than fear. Faith. And faith, true belief in what's possible, leads to peace, health, and strength. I've seen people turn their lives around. People on the edge of despair bounce back stronger than ever. And yes, I have changed too. There was a time when even my own family had lost hope in me. I was broke. I was 24. I felt like a failure, but then someone said to me, "Your past has nothing to do with your future because every moment is a new moment. What you were yesterday, you have already paid for, and what you are today, you get to choose." And that changed everything. So let me leave you with this. Do not be a prisoner of your past. Do not let your current results define your future. Study, learn, grow. Use your mind, picture what you want, and stay faithful to it. Because that's what real strength is, and that is the Stoic way.